Good morning, Blue Devils. Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. Today is a blue schedule day, which is periods 1, 2, 3, and 4. Today in world history, we are talking geography. It is obviously essential when you're studying history to know where you're studying. So we're going to be looking at some basic geography terms, continents, oceans, and some of the important places that you should know when studying history. We also have our big quiz over everything we've covered since the start of the year. That's 100% open notes. You're going to get class time today to work on it. It's a big deal. It's worth 50 points, and I want to make sure everybody does really well on that. Also, a reminder, all late work is due by Friday, which is tomorrow. Now, when we're studying geography, sometimes it can be helpful to visualize some of the locations and the shapes of those locations. So if we were actually in class, a lot of times I would have students draw a map of the world from scratch on a piece of paper. Well, today I'm gonna try to get a little creative. Now, this might be a total disaster. My son said that I'm nuts, but we're gonna go ahead and try it. We're gonna see if we can't make a map of the world out of pancakes. So let's see if we can do this. I'm gonna try to do continents separate. This might be a mess. And if it doesn't work, then oh well, we'll just have pancakes. Okay, that's obviously not working. So let's go this route. We'll just make this nice and easy. Watch this. It's called improvise. Since it's going to be a little challenging to try to make a continent, we'll just do this. Of course, I didn't plan well enough. So I'm gonna run out of space. Oh well, that's what happens. I'm not exactly Gordon Ramsay. I think he just woke up. Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's not a map of the world. Probably a little bit complicated. But you know what makes pancakes even better? Chocolate chips. Throw a little bit of that in there. Let that cook up nice and good before we flip it. I don't claim to be good at this cooking thing, that's for sure. All right, so today to close out, again, world history, we have our big quiz, geography. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody in class today. It's gonna be a great day. It's Thursday, it's one day closer to the weekend. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.